We'll run that one. Got Rimu, both Rimu. You can see there's two totally different colours, but that's the native timber of New Zealand. Special to me because a tree has grown, been chopped down. If you're going to chop something down, it better be used for something good. Yep. Do it some justice. If you're going to chop down a tree that's been growing for 200-300 years, turn it into something beautiful. You'll tell a change in that one, man.